Hello everybody, what is up? Proftos here. As you can see, we're back here with some more Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. I believe last time we left off, we're supposed to be trying to figure out a way to, revive this fixer. That's supposed to help us, fix our crystal that we got so we can hopefully create that rift gun again, but we will see. Okay. I was supposed to press L1 and my ass like, let's just fucking bolt off the edge. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, that was just a test run, I swear. This time it's gonna be for real. This time we're really doing it. There we go. See, I was supposed to get launching speed, but...
It's a mistake to get between pirates and their plundering. Brace yourselves! We're pinned down!
Let's see, what do I want to use against you? Shock?
Is mostly junk. What are they hoping to loot here?
They're better to find buried treasure than on a junk planet.
Give her no quarter! So she be fixing to meet the same fate as the
I should probably do that a little further away from myself next time.
Je t'adore! Our looting was so boring until you arrived! Merci for lighting things up!
Yeah, keep laughing, dear.
We got the deal with all that. Let's see. What else should we use? Huh, well, that should be pretty effective.
How many pirates does Pierre have?
The answer to that question is a lot.
The fixture will help finish them off.
Okay, there's those ships. And of course, we still got these guys. I'm gonna pull out the electricity, the lightning rod again, just because. Oh, now you guys want to get ground level. Alright, there we go.
Then again, we seem to be doing pretty well on our own.
Incoming!
Alright. Now we've boarded their ship.
Your penchant for meddling is most annoying with it! Why must you always get in my way?
Did you ever
Why must
think
he always get in
my
my way?
My way?
And I better go grab some of that life over there.
This story. Hello, everyone!
There we go. That's a little better. This guy's like, oops, my health's down to 5. Okay, you know what, you little shitheads? Think you're fucking funny? Do you think you're fucking funny? Okay, listen here. Alright, let's go ahead. Get Mr. Fungi out here. Then at the same time, we'll go ahead and get our sprinkler out here as well. There we go. See, that worked a lot better. Go ahead and bust out the enforcer. Oh, you little shit, you're still... Oh, what? Did you just fucking pellet thrust at me, sir? That is not appropriate.
Be careful.
Yeah, no shit. There's a lot of you. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and... anybody else? Okay, we
Are you
good?
getting tired, Rivet? Perhaps you would like a new death partner.
No, please no. Here, I just want to fix the fucking crystal, okay, man? How did I figure? I knew he was gonna bring out a bigger enemy.
Are we going to, dance?
No,
Okay.
we are not.
Oh, okay. I was hoping we'd dance, but fuck it. I guess not. Oops. Forgot about those. Oh, yeah, these are the guys to fucking deal with. Okay, let's go ahead and bust out that.
Almost felt that one. This is what she gets.
Let's...
What is ours?
It's yours? Ah,
It'd be a fool's question. For the fixer, I shall save ye the trouble.
Hey, I got level 3 in my lightning rod. Whoops. Okay, need to get out of that area. Okay, what else do we got to mess with him? Oh, that's right. I got this gun too. Oh, I forgot I had the cold snap gun.
There'll be no plague for ye to walk in. Your hand lies with me.
That's right. That was the one that made the vibration on the controller sound funny. Oops. Okay, need to not take any more damage, hopefully.
Time's up, ye. This is what she gets. Trying to steal what is ours.
Okay, let's go ahead and do this. Oh, fuck. Okay.
tearing him down.
You're not going to scuttle me.
Stay away from his bombs.
I almost feel sorry for you.
If I could just get some distance enough to actually use my fucking gun, that'd be great. Okay, what do we want to use? Let's bust out the sprinkler again. There we go. That'll help. Well, then we'll do the enforcer. There we go.
Use nanotech.
Not gonna lie, I was getting a little worried for a second because we're kind of down to like 9 health.
Out my hearties! Our command ship is lost! Destroy it now! Will it be expenses? Are ye sure?
Oh no, you're gonna self-destruct this on me, or you know, just blast it to death.
I suggest we abandon ship.
Yeah, that might.
Suggestion noted.
It seems like a rather good idea at this point. Alright, fucking landed on her face. Feet would have been better,
Nice
but
one,
face will do.
I'd
Alright,
be happy
so.
if I never saw a pirate again.
We can now use the hurl shot to reach the fixer.
And the hurl shot. Oh, I'll probably be back where I was, I'm assuming. Oh, and you. Yeah, you're not wrong. Let's see, Void Repulsor, what was that one?
Shields are boring.
Oh, that was one that I can actually use as a shield, then sit there and like freaking blast at the enemies. And I think
Hello to your little friends in the club of
this is probably the one that shoots off a bunch of little minions that I can do.
tiny but vicious, hungry and
Yes, that is actually one of the ones I wanted.
You
I will
are
take
gonna
that.
love these little rascals.
And then I'll go ahead and refill my ammo since we're here. The Glove of Doom. Let's see, oh, I got a decent amount of crystals, so we'll go ahead. Okay, so that's all we can upgrade
Treat
until it
yourself
levels
to an
up.
upgrade. You earned it.
Let's see here. Cold Snap. That one was actually rather useful. See, frozen enemies drop more bolts. I can use that. Restoration freeze effect. That's always, you know, a good skill to have in case I use additional damage. Yes. Negaton Collider. Upgrade these two. Yeah, speed would be a...
That is a popular one.
Lightning Rod also seems to be a generally good pick. Shots travel farther, which is nice. Mr. Funky. Oh, one more. When Mr. Funky leaves, he emits toxic cloud in the area. Alright, I think we could use that. Let's see, how about the Enforcer? I don't think we've upgraded that in a while. Increase area of effect, shots go farther.
Lock in what you got and come back with more raritanium.
Alright, now we're ready to go. Whee!
Gotta admit, the fixer being a giant robot is not what I expected.
Perhaps when he is not fighting pirates, he is a gentle giant.
Go ahead and use these guys just so I can actually level them up just a bit. Maybe just a bit. Oh look. Yeah, that's pretty useful. Go. Go my minions. Attack. Wahahaha. For this guy over here. Alright, sorry. Hey, what the? You lock your asses up in the air. Alright, sorry little guys. I gotta go.
Almost there!
Pierre says they be fixing to fix the fixer.
Oh man, we gotta fight you guys again. Oh, not another one of you. Alright.
Scuttle our own ship. Let 'em die.
Oh, cool. They actually came with me.
You could attack from a different angle by tethering to those rifts.
Keep 'em coming,
You
Pierre!
said
I'm
rifts,
just
there you
waiting
go.
for you to come down and fight me yourself!
I should have known scuttling you fools would be too easy. For it is a fool's errand to fix the fixer.
Were you saying something, Pierre? I stopped listening.
How will I go on without my greatest foe?
It's a thing you'll never have to find out.
Cool. So now we got that leveled up at least by one.
Adorable sassy backpack then. Soldier!
Sassy backpack.
Oh, I'm a sassy backpack.
Do not lump me to the failure. I am merely the face of the operation.
Oh, you little shits. coming after me. Okay, I kinda saw that one coming.
Got some solid cover here, and it looks like I could fight them from the sides too.
Did you think you could get away so easily?
Keep them coming, Pierre. I'm just waiting for you to come down and fight me yourself.
I should have known scuttling you fools would be too easy. For it is a fool therein to fix the fixer.
Were you saying something, Pierre? I stopped listening.
How will I go on without my greatest foe?
You guys can go ahead.
Good thing you'll never have to find out.
He's a funny looking thing.
I'll just have my little minions take care of them. No, I'm starting to like these guys.
You and your adorable set. See back then. No chance.
Oh, he just straight up slid off the freaking edge.
You guys aren't very good at this.
Do not lump me into the failure. I am merely the face of the operation.
Okay. Oh, so you're over there. Now, question is, how do I get over to you to fight you? Alright, I still got more of you guys.
Perhaps now Pierre will take the hint.
Oh, there we go. Now they gave me access over there.
The fixer be done for, and so shall ye.
Can't stop now. Not when we're this close to the fixer.
It's actually doing a fair amount of damage. Oh, I am out of cold snap ammo. Okay, so now this is where we get our minions out over to attack them. Then we'll go ahead and get some Mr. Fungi out to attack him. And then we'll cover him in foliage. And then Megaton Collider.
Fine swamp for our gang.
Enough yet?
Oh, okay, shit. I'll have them take care of those guys. Oh, I do not have more. Okay, so now we got some more cold snap. Alright. That was actually a lot more
The face quartz cannot
efficient.
be fixed.
We're in deep trouble. But there's no
Oh,
point
so he's in
worrying
a whole
about it now.
combination of weapons. It's like, oh, okay. These guys actually aren't that hard.
Regroup with the others. We are going to attack as one and finish it.
Oh my god. Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on. Huh. Oh, okay. A swing and a miss.
What
Alright.
if the face quartz cannot be fixed?
We're in deep trouble. But there's no point in worrying about it now.
bigger, they'll just split off into smaller pieces. There is... Is that all there was to this area? Okay, there's that. There we go. Alright, anyways, on to our next area. Thought I meant to hang on to that for longer, but seems far enough. Plus, we got one of these fun little missions.
How exactly will we fix the fixer?
Think I know?
To turn him on first.
Oh, alright. I guess I gotta do a little dance, turn them on.
Broken?
Oh, you meant power. Okay, yeah,
This
yeah.
must
That
be
too.
the fixer's on switch.
It's alive.
Hello?
It's
Are you,
alive.
okay?
No, I am broken, as is everything. Nothing can be fixed.
Oh. Okay. Guess he doesn't just fix, he can also destroy. Oh, okay. I don't know what's going on, my dude, but
Pirates are taken care of.
yeah.
Focus on the grinding.
First you want me to turn them on, then you want me to focus on the
Bring the whole
grinding.
place down.
Bro, what the fuck is going on? I love these fast-paced rail parts that they do in this game. Whoa.
What is he, the breaker now?
Well, I mean, yeah, that would be a more fitting name than the Fixer. Oh, shit.
Is he talking about me?
This game would look fucking sick in VR if they,
Don't listen
with these
to him,
type of
folks.
missions right here.
If you're broken, so am I. And I think we're
Especially the
pretty
part where he like
awesome.
cups his hand and you're like going through the middle, like that would be cool.
Do you have any
So I
ideas?
imagine if you're somebody with
Because I'm
motion
having a
sickness,
hard
this game would be
time
freaking
running
horrible
away
for
from a
you.
giant homicidal robot.
I am working on it.
Mine's collapsed. Great.
Yeah, that's all we need. Why not? Whoa.
Wisdom. I may have an idea.
Little crystals in this one.
I am broken. I cannot fix. I cannot be fixed.
Well, not with that attitude, sir.
Don't fall, don't fall.
Well, we're gonna fall. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Can everything stop falling apart?
No, why? It would make the level less fun if everything was just staying together.
No.
Uh-oh. Oh shit. Please don't crush me. Oh, I'm impressed that she's actually holding the freaking finger back.
I am fixed.
What are you doing?
Improvising. I may be different than I was, but you helped me realize I am still Clank.
Like, oh, I fixed something?
I am quite relieved.
What the hell happened then?
When the Bullards asked me to protect them, it opened my eyes to a great many broken things. So very many.
And you became distressed.
But being able to fix another, to see that all is not lost.
Oh wait, you gotta protect the place. You saw, hey, there's a lot of stuff that's not fixed, so I'm just gonna go fucking nuts and destroy everything.
Fix this.
Like, weird, but alright. Oh, hey.
Thank you.
Now we got our phase cords, I
You just gave
think.
an old giant robot the gift of hope. It should be I who is thanking you.
Phew. Let's get back to the ship, shall we?
Yes. Oh, I hope Ratchet had an easier time building.
Hold that thought.
This Zircon, make you a deal.
What does this one do?
Who's so cute? The drill hound, our finest breed of weapon. Pull the fire trigger halfway to lock this burrowing, adorable rocket launcher.
That was kind of cool. I don't even know if I actually did that one before. But we're doing it now.
You will make a lot of holes with those, hun.
Damn right. Let's upgrade it more since we just got that newer one. The Drill Hound. Increase our ammo, increase our explosion radius. Actually, I like the explosion radius. And then let's see this one. It's movement speed. I think we can do one more. Alright.
Anyway,
Yes. Oh, I
Hell
hope
yeah.
Ratchet had an easier time building a new Dimensionator.
so, are we gonna talk about you rescuing me back there?
I did?
You did. Looks like you're a natural even in my dimension.
I thank you, Ribbon.
Okay, so let me put this drill away. So we got the phase cords. I believe we had the gun.
And blast off!
I think we should be relatively ready to build it. We just gotta meet up with Ratchet.
Hi, Ratchet. I'm Ribbit. Nice to meet you.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Just thinking about building the Dimensionator and saving the universes.
Are you nervous about meeting Ratchet?
What? Yeah, a little.
He is friendly, I promise. And once we build the Dimensionator, he will help us find Dr. Nefarious.
Right. Guess our adventure's coming to an end, Bolts. You two and Dr. Nefarious will
Not
be back in
quite
your own
so much
dimension in no
yet.
time.
Trust me, it's not gonna be that easy.
What'd you think of that message from me?
Ooh, a dimension. Oh, jeez. Oh, fuck. Okay.
Hi, Ratchet. I'm Ribbit. Nice to meet you.
What are you doing?
Oh, shit.
Nothing. Just...
Yeah. Went a little too fast on that one.
Hi, Ratchet. I'm Ribbit.
Try it again.
Nice to meet you.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Just thinking about building the Dimensionator and saving the universes.
Are
What?
you nervous about meeting Ratchet?
What?
Interesting. Alright, let's try it
A
again.
little.
He is friendly, I promise. And once we build the Dimensionator, he will help us find Dr. Nefarious.
Right. Guess our adventure's coming to an end, Bolts. You two and Dr. Nefarious will be back in your own dimension in no time.
Okay. Did I already do this one? You know, I may have actually already done this one. Wow, never mind then. Back we go.